Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Kitchen of Kimawarts. In today's video, we'll see how to make sizzling brownie. So let's get started. So firstly, for making the brownie, here I have melted around 60 grams of dark chocolate, in which I have added around 50 grams of melted butter. Now what we'll do is we'll transfer this mixture to another bowl so that we can mix everything easily. Now I'll shift around half cup of maida, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and we'll sift everything. Now in it I'll add around half a cup of sugar, powdered sugar, or a little less if you want less sweet. So now to this mixture I'll add around 1/4 cup of milk plus 1 tablespoon of milk. The quantity of milk totally depends upon you, but you have to take around 1/4 cup or a little more. So I guess the quantity of milk is a little less, so I'll add around 1 tablespoon of milk to it, and I'll make a smooth batter out of it. So now as you can see that the cake batter is ready. Now I'll transfer this batter to a cake tin. I have already prepared a 7-inch cake tin. I have greased it with oil. So transfer all the batter to the cake tin. Now we'll tap it on the floor for 2 to 3 times to remove all the air bubbles. And we'll transfer the cake tin to the cooker. Here I have already preheated my cooker for around 10 minutes on medium flame. Now I'll keep the cake tin in the cooker and cover it using a lid. Don't keep the whistle and the cooker ring. Remove everything and cover it using a lid. Now we'll bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes on medium flame. So it's been 30 to 35 minutes. Now we'll take out the cake. As you can see, the cake has swollen up. It is baked. So now what we'll do is I'll cover the cake using a cloth. I'm using a damp cloth and cover it with that and let it rest for 2 hours so that it cools down. So it's been 2 hours. Now we'll remove the cake. So now using a knife we'll scrape off the side so that the cake would come out easily. So as you all can see, the cake has come out easily. Delicious. You can see that it is thick enough. Now since I have to make a square cake, I'll cut off the sides and make it square or rectangle. Since I don't have a square cake tin, so I have used round cake tin. If you have square cake tin, then you can use that as well. Now I'll remove the sides and I'll make small pieces out of it so that we can proceed for sizzling brownie. I'm making 4 pieces, you can make 6 as well. So now for making sizzling brownie, here I have taken a hot tawa. You can use sizzling tawa as well. Since I am not making brownie on sizzling tawa, I am using a hot tawa. Now we'll place 2 brownie on top of it, 2 pieces of brownie, and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now on top of it, we'll garnish it using chocolate syrup. So today I am using Hershey's brand. I am using Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can use chocolate syrup of any brand, or you can directly eat it. So keep your forks and spoons ready and enjoy. So do give this recipe a try and share your experience with me in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful recipes.